Okay, here's Duncan. There's our big Duncan right there.
How old is he? 11 days?
11 days today.
In his bouncy seat.
Alright, buddy. Oh, you want this, don't you? You want that right there. There you go. He wants his pacifier.
What are you doing?
There you go. How's that? How's that, big boy? There's Duncan. 11 days old. In Jane's old bouncy seat. Your big sister's old bouncy seat, right? There's Jane! Hello! Okay, ready? There's Jane. Looking at Jane. Can you say hi? What's your name? Is your name Janie?
No.
What is it? Just Jane? Is it Janie? No? What is it? Oh, Jane, okay. How old is Jane? Not talking, not feeling well. That's okay. Say bye, camera. Say bye, camera. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You're making faces. Say no.
Okay, bye.
When she's in the crib.